Welcome, I am Mother Nature. Allow me to tell you the story of Wish. I heal the earth, and now I'm working with Wish Skin Labs to heal you. That visionary of Wish is Dr. Tracy Kimball. Dr. Kimball is a pioneer wound care specialist physician. Dr. Kimball saw a growing need to improve the healing of wounds. I began to work my magic organically, orchestrating meetings with Dr. Kimball and a dynamic team of scientists. Wish scientists utilized Earth's natural resources to construct coveted products. First in its class, a zinc dimethicone-based moisture barrier and skin repair phyto complex cream. Wish is creating over-the-counter products all under the Emerald WC label. Father Time may heal all wounds, but Mother Nature does it better. Always remember, Wish is healing humanity, one wish at a time.